Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Custom Tools for AI Agents. Teaching your AI to do anything you can imagine. Imagine an AI that doesn't just chat, but can actually do things. Book a flight, analyze data, control smart devices. This isn't sci-fi anymore, it's what we're building today. In this lesson, we'll learn how to teach AI to perform any task you can dream up, using something called custom tools. Get ready to unlock new levels of AI power. Think of an AI agent as your highly capable digital assistant. It's not just a simple program that follows one instruction. It's designed to understand your broader goals, make decisions, and take action to help you achieve them. Like a personal secretary, but for your computer. These agents are becoming the backbone of powerful AI applications. At the heart of most AI agents is a large language model, LLM. This is the brain of our assistant. An LLM is like a super smart conversation partner. It can read, write, summarize, and understand human language incredibly well. It's brilliant at processing words and ideas. But here's the catch. An LLM can only talk. It can't do anything in the real world on its own. It's like a brilliant chef who can tell you exactly how to make a dish, but can't chop vegetables or turn on the stove. Since LLMs can only talk, we need to give our AI agents hands and eyes to interact with the world and perform actions. These are called custom tools. A custom tool is essentially a specific skill or capability you teach your AI. It allows your AI to go beyond just talking and actually perform actions, like sending an email, fetching live data from a website, or even controlling an external device. It's how our brilliant chef can finally cook. From a developer's perspective, a custom tool is just a piece of code you write, usually a simple function. You give this function a clear name and, crucially, a detailed description of what it does, what information it needs, inputs, and what kind of result it provides, outputs. Think of it like writing a very precise instruction manual for a specific task. We'll use something called JSON schema to formally describe these tools to the AI, so it knows exactly how and when to use them. Let's imagine building a simple tool. If you want your AI to tell you the current weather, you'd write a function called _current_weather_. This function would take a location as input. In a real application, this function would call a weather API. You'd then provide a description to the AI. This tool fetches the current weather for a specified location. It requires a location string as input. The AI uses this description to understand when to use your function. Here's the magic in action. 1. You ask, "What's the weather in London?" 2. The AI LLM thinks. It looks at your question and checks its list of available tools. I have a _get_current_weather tool that can answer this. 3. The AI calls the tool. It formats the input, location equals London, and passes it to your _get_current_weather function. 4. The tool executes. Your function runs, fetches the real weather data. 5. The AI responds. It takes the result from the tool and gives you a natural, helpful answer. The current weather in London is 15 degrees Celsius and cloudy. With custom tools, the possibilities are truly endless. You are now empowered to teach your AI to do almost anything you can imagine. Automate repetitive tasks, e.g., send a weekly sales report. Interact with your existing software, e.g., add this meeting to my calendar. Analyze complex data from various sources, e.g., summarize today's stock market news. Asterisk control smart home devices or IoT, e.g., turn on the living room lights. This gives you the power to extend your AI's capabilities far beyond just conversation, making it a truly invaluable assistant for any task. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.